So it is May 31st, almost 6 o'clock. We're going to be meeting with the representatives from Montera Lodging LLC and the contractor Oliver. Taking some footage of just what the building looks like now. There's a particular hole on the siding that was not there before they started doing the floors. We're going around to the side of the building. Everything looks good here.